Hey guys, how's it going? So these are my little popsicle stick minis I'm going to enter into the Tabletop Crafters Guild competition. For you have to make a craft out of popsicle sticks, and these are the little guys I came up with. So we have a dwarf, we got a halfling or a hobbit, we got a grey wizard here, or just a wizard. Could be a white wizard either, I'm not sure. Kind of a fighter guy here with a sword, a little bard in the back, and some kind of like female rogue assassin type person. She's pretty mysterious with the headscarf on there. So yeah, these are my little guys. They're actually a lot of fun to put together and try to fit some character into kind of such a small scale, even smaller scale than 28mm, and pretty simple enough with cardstock to make their little beards and hair and weapons and this kind of thing, and quick and easy to do. So I'd say give this one a go. Especially if you're stuck for minis, these have got to be some of the cheapest ones you can make. Just a bit of super glue, some popsicle sticks, some paint and some cardstock, and you're ready to go. Cheers, guys.